Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to fix messenger not showing messages problem. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily fix this problem, so I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store. Once you open your app store, search for messenger. Now if your messenger is not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure you update your messenger. You have to update your messenger application. Make sure you are using the latest version of your messenger. Now once you are done, just open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, click on general. Now once you click on general, you can see iPhone storage. So you can see iPhone storage, click on that and wait for it to load for all your applications. So you can see it is loading for all your apps. Just wait for a while and then scroll to where you can see your messenger app. So you can see your messenger app over here, click on that and you can see offload app. Just click on offload app. You can see offload app, click on that and then once you offload your app over here, now you can see, just wait for a while and you can see offloading your app. Now once this is done, you can see reinstall app. So just click on reinstall app and that's it. So once you uninstall your application or once you offload your app, then you install or you reinstall it, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video